Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. Today is a very exciting day because we are arriving in New York for the very first time. So for those of you who don't know, I am working on board Virgin Voyages the Scarlet Lady, and we have just completed the crossing from Portsmouth in the UK to New York. So we have been at sea for 10 days, which is mad, and now today we are arriving in New York City, baby. So I believe any minute now we will start to see land, which is so exciting. I don't know whether any of you who are watching have done a crossing before, but after not seeing land for what feels like a lifetime, when you see a horizon of some sort, it's like, oh my god. So yeah, very excited to see land, very excited to see New York City. I'm gonna change because it is boiling outside and head upstairs and watch the sail in to New York, which is amazing. So today we're gonna dock in Bayonne, in New Jersey. We're gonna pass the Statue of Liberty, and then this evening we all have to get off and do like immigration and stuff. So it's gonna be a long day, but also a very exciting day. So yeah, let's go up and see what's going on. I can see New York. Oh my god, the sailing was, how can you not like just be in awe? That was incredible. Like the Statue of Liberty and the way that the light, like the sunlight was hitting it, and oh, that was divine. You know, so when we were coming in, I was like, I wonder whether the Manhattan sailing is going to beat the Sydney sailing, because when you dock in Sydney, Australia, you're right next to the Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and you're like right in the thick of it. And yeah, it was it definitely gave it a run for its money. Tomorrow night we are doing the sailing into Manhattan, and that is probably going to beat Sydney. Obviously can't be sure, but I have a feeling. So I have come back and had a little nap, which was nice, called my mom and stuff, since we are now inland and I can do that sort of stuff. We're not at sea anymore. I'm gonna go and get some dinner, and then we have to do immigration. So all of the crew members on board have to do immigration. Now, immigration is not exciting. However, because I haven't been off the ship in like 2.5 months, and I have to get off the ship to do immigration, I am very excited about immigration. So I think they're going to do it in alphabetical order. They're going to call, you know, just say everyone with the last name beginning with A, B, C, go and line up to do immigration. So yeah, I've just got to kind of listen to the announcements like the rest of the crew members. So I'm going to go and have dinner, and then I might go and wait outside, might go and sit outside and just enjoy the New York skyline while I wait to do immigration.
I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't
we are all queuing up now, and we are going to go outside for the first time in what, like 2 months?
2 months and a half, almost 3 months.
Oh my god. So first time in 2 months we're going to get on land and get our I-95, our American visa. I mean, we can't go anywhere.
So excited.
We're literally just going to stand in the terminal, but we're very excited about it. I'm on land for the first time in 2 months. Oh my god. This is the line for immigration, but that, you know, completely makes sense because it is all of the crew members doing immigration at once. So we have now got our American visas.
Yeah. And we hope that we will be able to go out somewhere and use this papelito.
Yes, exactly. We hope that we will be given shore leave so that we can use it. Woohoo! So it has just gone 1 in the morning and I have just finished immigration. So I'm now going to get back on the ship. Wow, I'm shiny. So I'm now going to get back on the ship, go to bed, because tomorrow we have a very, very long day of inspections and stuff. So yeah, all good. It is now 1:30 in the morning. I have just got back to my cabin. I got back on board and went for a cup of tea. But yeah, I have my I-95, my American visa now, which is exciting. So this basically means that I can get off the ship. I mean, there's still the COVID restrictions. Crew still aren't necessarily allowed off the ship. But if the COVID rules subside and crew are allowed off the ship, I am allowed to get off the ship with this visa. So that's all that visa is for. It allows me to get off the ship when we are in port, when we are in an American port. So when I went to Alaska on my last ship, I had to have an I-95 on there as well. If you are a crew member and you do go on an American ship or go on a ship that's going to America and you get an I-95, it's really, really important that you keep it safe, because as you can see, it is a really flimsy piece of paper. However, it's very, very important and very expensive to replace. What I will be doing is keeping it in like a plastic wallet like this, like my ID card is in, and that way it'll be kept safe. But every time I get off the ship, I have to take that with me. If I forget that, well, they won't let me off the ship. So I hope that made sense. My brain isn't working. I really, really need to go to sleep. But yeah, so we're in New York. Immigration is done, which is really exciting. So tomorrow morning, we have a lot of inspections. We have the US Coast Guard coming on board. So that's a very important thing for us. And we've got USPH probably coming on board and various other checks that need to be made to this beautiful ship. So tomorrow is going to be quite a big day. And then yeah, in the evening, tomorrow evening, we are sailing into Manhattan, which should be quite spectacular to sail into Manhattan at, I believe, 12 at night. So everything will be lit up. Yeah, just feeling very lucky, very, very lucky to be here. And you know, it's days like today, you know, watching the sail into New York and seeing the Statue of Liberty. It's days like today, feeling very lucky. But anyway, I'm going to go to bed now because I am knackered. So good night. Okay guys, so we have skipped the whole day. Woke up this morning, we had all of our inspections today, which went wonderfully well, which is brilliant. Passed everything with flying colours as far as I know, which is amazing because it means that we can sail and everything is going to go as planned. So after the inspections, just had a free day, done some editing, bits and bobs. But now it is the evening. I have just had dinner and put some makeup on because this evening we have like the ultimate dance party, which is something that they are putting on for crew. And apparently there's a special guest who's going to be coming. No one knows who it is. Some people are saying it's going to be J-Lo. Some people are saying it's Tom Cruise. Don't think it's Tom Cruise. I personally think it's going to be Richard Branson. which would be amazing if he did show up. Don't think he's going to be dancing in the Ultimate Dance Party show, but who knows. And then after the Ultimate Dance Party, we are going to be sailing into Manhattan. So at the moment we are in New Jersey. We're going to be going into Manhattan and staying there for the rest of our time in New York, which is another few days. But it's just going to be amazing. Obviously New York is incredible anyway, but to sail into Manhattan at night when everything is lit up is just going to be unbelievable. So I am very happy, very excited. And yeah, so let's go and see what this Ultimate Dance Party is all about. I have absolutely no idea what to expect, but my camera is charged, ready to get some amazing pictures of the sail into Manhattan. So yeah.
Thank you for all your hard work. And today we have a very special person to say a few words. I'm really looking forward to coming back. So thank you for giving her such a great time. Thank you for giving all the guests in the UK such a great time. And here's just the beginning now of a new adventure once again. But anyway, I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Enjoy the evening and the sail into New York. Thank you, all of you.
So I have just left the Ultimate Dance Party, which was so good, and now I'm going to go and watch the sail into New York, which I'm very, very excited about. So we have come outside. It's really, really, really windy and a little bit wet. There's incredible thunder and lightning. And the New York
Cruising as crew.
This is Dennis!
Ahoy, sailors!
Oh. Yeah, so we have the New York skyline behind me. And thunder and lightning. Oh! No, I missed it. Thunder and lightning as we're going into New York, which is just something quite spectacular to see.
long time since I felt right, trying to get right out of my own head. Come for a ride with me. My mind has been killing me. You're the only one, but it always. Oh, maybe when I'm with you, I kinda miss you. Come for a ride with me. My mind has been killing me. You're the only one, but it always. Oh, maybe when I'm with you, I kinda miss you.
Oh my god, what a night. What a night. So the ultimate dance party was 10 times better than I thought it was going to be. The dancers, I mean, I knew the dancers on here were great, but bloody hell, fantastic. And then, like, I love the way that you get a show, but then you're also involved, and brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And I was right, the special guest was Richard Branson, which was so lovely. So Tom McAlpin did a little speech, Richard Branson did a little speech, which was amazing. And then obviously got to see that sailing, man, with the lightning. I can't believe that my friend got it on film. It's just unreal, absolutely unreal. So yeah, feeling incredibly lucky to be in New York, to be on Virgin Voyages, and just experiencing this. And I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed making it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you watching this. If you have enjoyed it, then please press the like button and the subscribe button. And if you have any video suggestions, you can leave them in the comments down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at cruisingascrew. But have a fantastic rest of the day, whatever you choose to do, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.